So, I have been looking for a smaller crossbody bag for quite some time, and I was going back and forth on whether I should invest in a luxury, high luxury like either Louis Vuitton or Gucci, or just see here. Oh, it's a little magnet thing here. Okay. Very cute so far. Its own little dust bag here. Oh, this is really cute. It's almost like I'll show you guys. Sorry that I don't have the name for you. So as you can see, it's adjustable strap. The Longchamp logo, as well as here. And this is the this is leather. It has, so this is the mini crossbody bag that I got, as I was describing earlier. So this is Le Pliage Cœur. I think that's the way you pronounce it. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong for sure. And it's a nice, beautiful blue color, more like a denim blue. Not as bright, so I think it's neutral enough to wear it all year round, and I'm gonna wear it all year round anyway. But it's mini, but yet it has enough room to hold the essentials and even more. So it measures 8.5 by, I think, by 5.5. So it's 8.5, a little 8.6 actually, 5.5 this way, and depth is about a little more than 2.5. Has a nice, beautiful long strap which can be adjustable fairly easily, and I'll show you guys. Of course, it comes with a front pocket to put your cards in and some smaller items for quick grab and go. And let me open it and show you guys the inside. So it only has one main compartment, and it's lined in the Longchamp logo fabric, like they call it Jacquard. And yeah, it's pretty roomy. I think it's, you know, it's more than sufficient for my needs. And in order to adjust it, I already went ahead and adjusted according to my height. It's just tie the knot like so. Easy enough, right? So this is it. This color actually, it comes in like maybe 14 other colors, but this color along with the orange, pink, is actually on sale for $175 plus tax depending on where you live. And yes, I'm really happy with the purchase. Oh, and of course the Cœur line of Le Pliage is leather, so obviously that's one of the reasons why I got this, because it is leather. Buttery soft, Matisse leather is the type of leather that they actually are made of. And yeah, so I am happy that I finally settled on this particular handbag. I mean, again, it's really affordable. It's a classic, quality is there, and yeah, can't wait to wear it. Let me just show you the nice little zipper pull, which I love those little things here. Here is the nice, there we go, zipper pull. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.